And recently, one of our members here, I'm just going to throw her name out there, LezMerize. She's one of the core performers of Gilded Cage. Formerly, she was known as Albuquerque's favorite lesbian. But Armitage Shanks from Seattle, world-class MC, singer, and performer, has labeled her the universe's favorite lesbian. Let's see LezMerize!
Motherfucker, die. I wanna see you cry, and then I'll watch you die. I wanna hurt you, torture, then desert you. Take a hot poker and stick it where the sun don't shine, and then watch you die. 'Cause I'm having a bad day, so get out of my way, or you will pay, and you'll pay with your life. I'm having a bad day, so what else can I say? I just wanna kill her, be killed.